That's been on my roof. Just went over it again. Now he's turning around on the fireman's house. There's one right here behind 24191. He keeps going behind that tree, revving, so they have a double up. And this one here on the fireman's house has been out here now for over 20 minutes. He's the one that was out here earlier that I was bitching about on all of the houses, and then in the fake jumbo line, and now he's right here on my head and he's staying on it. So now he's just crossing right back over my roof. Not a civilian. Why the hell would there be a civilian staying on my roof? Can someone please do something? This isn't like cover-ups anymore. This is back to full-blown harassment. It's messed up. There he is crossing over my roof. Now he's just making a right U-turn. He's coming back on my roof. Now there's another one that crossed over from 24191, and he's on top of the fireman's house next door.